Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your RAM 1500 faster. Let's dive into some easy modifications. First, focus on basic maintenance like fresh oil and clean filters to ensure your truck runs optimally. Then, consider upgrading to a cold air intake system. This simple change can boost horsepower by 5 to 10 and improve throttle response, giving you a more exhilarating driving experience right away. Next, let's talk about engine performance. A performance tuner or programmer is a fantastic investment, potentially adding 20 to 40 horsepower by optimizing your engine's computer. Pair that with an aftermarket exhaust system, which can free up another 10 to 15 horsepower and give your truck a more aggressive sound. These upgrades work together to significantly enhance your Ram's power output. Now, let's look at the drivetrain and weight. Swapping to lighter wheels and tires can reduce unsprung weight, making your Ram feel more nimble and accelerate faster. Consider upgrading your differential gear ratios. A higher ratio can dramatically improve your truck's launch and responsiveness. Also, removing any unnecessary cargo from the bed or cabin helps shed pounds, contributing to better performance. Finally, for those seeking serious power, consider forced induction. A supercharger can add over 100 horsepower, transforming your Ram into a true powerhouse. Remember, with increased speed comes the need for enhanced safety. Upgrade your brakes to handle the extra power. Always prioritize professional installation for advanced modifications to ensure everything is done correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.